Alright guys, we're at the Hotel L'Art in Gimpo, and this is room 1102, and we're on the top floor. So I got a room with two beds. It comes with a twin bed and a double bed, so technically you can sleep three. It looks very modern. We just got the air conditioner going. You got to put the key card in the door over here to get it going. Okay, right there. I'm gonna put the key card in there. You only get one key card. You got a safe on the floor. You get two robes. Okay, you get a shoehorn and a shoe brush, looks like. All right, that's dark in there. Let's go over here. Over on the other side of the wall, you get a tea kettle, 2 cups, some tea. Here's the bathroom. Of course, you get a bidet, towels, a nice shower with a big head. Okay. That would be nice. Slippers to use in here. And that's it. So let's go take a look outside the window. We're looking at a road and nothing much to look at. So that's it, guys. That's the review of this L'Art Hotel. Great deal on bookings. Alright guys, take it easy. Talk to you later. Bye now.